Welcome home! Healthy, Organic, and Easy by Michelle. Today we are making healthy organic grilled chicken sandwich. Soak chicken in the milk for 30 minutes. It helps remove the bad smell from the chicken and make it smoother. Cut the chicken as thin as possible because it helps to cook the chicken quickly. Sprinkle a little bit of organic onion powder. And sprinkle a little bit of organic garlic powder. A little bit of organic black pepper and salt too. And sprinkle the other side in the same way. Slice organic onion. Put organic iceberg lettuce and onions in cold water and put ice in it. Preheat the electronic griller to 400 degrees. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. I will show you how to cook with the regular fry pan too. This is non-GMO organic wheat bread from the freezer. I bought this bread May 4th. As you can see, still so fresh. I have another video that shows how to make a long-lasting fresh organic bread. If you want to learn, please check it out. Bake with a toaster. If you don't have it, you can use a frying pan too. Looks good. If you leave the bread like this, it won't get soggy and will keep them crispy. Cut tomato. Peel organic avocado and cut it. Next, I'm going to make the mustard sauce for the sandwich. I'm going to use whole grain mustard. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard. Add 1½ tablespoons of organic light mayo. Add 1 tablespoon of rice syrup. I never use sugar when I cook, so I'm going to use a homemade rice syrup which has a 0 sugar. You can buy Korean rice syrup with low sugar levels at the supermarket. I have another video that shows which one has the lowest sugar level. Please check it out. Mix well. Wipe down the grill with the oil to help keep from sticking. Now, put chicken on grill, leave for 5 minutes. Preheat the pan for 3 minutes for fried egg. Add a little bit of salt. I'm going to make 2 different types of sandwiches. Some are really picky in this house. and hate mustard and avocado. Spread the sauce on bread. One with the mustard sauce and the other one is with the mayo. Put lettuce as much as you want. Put avocados. Put tomato and fried egg. I'm going to put non-GMO organic American cheese, but you can put any different cheese that you like. Put sliced onions and chicken. Now, press sandwich with a plate. Today's welcome home tip. I'm going to show you how to wrap a sandwich without tape. Make sure to wrap it up tight. Ta-da! It's done! Let's cut the sandwich. Looks good. You can eat right away or bring for lunch. Now, let me show you how to cook the chicken with a fry pan. Non-stick coating pans are not good for your health, so I don't use them often. Preheat the pan for 3 minutes on medium heat. If you use a stainless steel pan, apply little oil to the frying pan and put chicken. Cook each side for 3 minutes on medium heat. And put 1 tablespoon of organic olive oil for the egg. Add a little bit of salt. Now, I'm going to make another sandwich without avocado. Then I can compare which one is better. Anyway, I don't have a wheat bread anymore, so I use organic white bread instead. I tried both and I like it without avocado better for chicken sandwich because I can taste more chicken and onions. Enjoy healthy organic chicken sandwich.